Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the audio system in this 2015 Suzuki Vitara. So if we go to the home screen, you'll see there the top left hand corner. It's quite confusing really, because there you've got your phone which is paired. There it says no smartphone linked, and nothing seems to happen if you press this or anything else. So the audio, if you go over to the audio here and click on that, again there doesn't seem to be anywhere where you can change the source or the media, which you usually need to do in order to listen to music. However, I'll go back to the menu screen. If I now go to music, I click on a record here, I'll just turn it down. You'll see at the bottom there, my car. There's actually a tick next to my car. That should mean any audio that you play through your mobile will come through the system if you have it set right. So I'm going to click play, and watch out on here. I click play, it's changed to music. If I turn this up here and then there, you see there it's changed again to Bluetooth Bon Jovi Knocking on Heaven's Door. So that's it. When I first jumped in it without reading the instruction book, which I never do, I would have assumed it would show up here, and I was messing about with that. But it actually comes on automatically if your phone's paired to the system. So that's how you play music. I hope that was clear. Going back on that through my head, it didn't seem very clear.